How to add bookmarks. To add bookmarks, you first need to sign in. Sign in using your existing ABB single sign-on account or sign up for a new one. Search for the topic to which you wish to add a bookmark. Open the topic and click the ellipsis to add a bookmark. Here you can edit the name and color code of your bookmark. Then click Save. Let's search for another topic. You can now see all your bookmarks in My Library's Bookmark section. On the left side, you can view all the bookmarks you have inserted in a manual.